Hey everyone, today we are diving into a crucial topic that every business should master: how to successfully navigate digital transformation to meet consumer expectations. Step number one: understanding customer expectations. In today's fast paced and interconnected world, customer expectations are shaped by the immediacy of digital communication. The statistics that 80% of customers expect companies to respond to their social media posts within 24 hours underscores the importance of timely and proactive engagement. To meet and exceed these expectations, it is crucial to adopt a multifaceted approach. Timely responses. Equip your team with the necessary tools and training to monitor social media channels effectively. Utilize social media listening tools to track mentions, comments, and direct messages in real time. Implement a streamlined process for responding promptly to customer inquiries and feedback. Quick acknowledgement, even if a comprehensive response requires more time, demonstrates attentiveness. Training and empowerment. Provide ongoing training to your customer support team to enhance their digital communication skills. This includes understanding the nuances of social media etiquette and effectively addressing customer concerns in a public forum. Empower your team with decision-making capabilities to resolve issues swiftly. This not only expedites the resolution process but also showcases a customer-centric approach. Negative Post Protocol. Develop a clear protocol for handling negative social media posts. Timely and emphatic responses to negative feedback demonstrate accountability and commitment to addressing customer concerns. Establish internal guidelines for escalating issues when necessary. This ensures that critical concerns are addressed promptly and appropriately. Transparency and communication. Communicate transparently about response times and set clear expectations with your audience. If there are instances where a more complex issue may require additional time for resolution, openly communicate this to manage customer expectations. Feedback loop. Establish a feedback loop to continuously improve your digital customer engagement strategies. Regularly review and analyze customer interactions on social media to identify patterns, address recurring issues, and refine your approach. By embracing these practices, your brand not only meets but surpasses customer expectations in the digital realm. Timely and effective digital engagement not only resolves customer concerns, but also contributes to building a positive online reputation and fostering long-term customer loyalty. Stay tuned for more insights as we navigate the next steps in mastering brand strategy. Step number 2. Prioritizing personalization. According to Forbes, 59% of customers value being treated as individuals over the speed of issue resolution. Let us explore how you can prioritize personalization and create a more tailored and memorable customer experience. To achieve this, it is essential to implement customer relationship management or CRM tools effectively. These tools enable you to gather, organize, and leverage customer data to better understand individual preferences, behaviors, and needs. Here is how you can make personalization a cornerstone of your customer interactions. Implementing CRM tools. Use and integrate CRM tools that align with your business needs. These tools should allow you to consolidate customer information, interactions, and transaction history in a centralized platform. Utilize CRM features to track customer touchpoints across various channels, including social media, email, and website interactions. Gathering comprehensive customer data. Encourage customers to share relevant information through surveys, preference settings, and feedback forms. Respect privacy concerns and clearly communicate the value customers gain from sharing their data. Segmentation and targeting. Leverage CRM data to segment your customer base. Create targeted communication strategies for different segments based on their preferences, purchase history, and behaviors. Craft personalized marketing campaigns that speak directly to the unique needs and interests of specific customer segments. Tailoring responses and services. Train your customer support team to use CRM insights when interacting with customers. This enables them to tailor responses, recommendations, and solutions based on individual customer profiles. Implement personalized communication addressing customers by name and referencing past interactions to create a sense of continuity. Customize experiences. Expand personalization beyond communication to the overall customer experience. Tailor product recommendations, website content, and promotions based on individual preferences, driving engagement and satisfaction. Feedback and iteration. Regularly gather feedback on the effectiveness of your personalization efforts. Use customer insights to refine and iterate your personalization strategies, ensuring ongoing relevance. By prioritizing personalization, your brand not only meets customer expectations but also cultivates a sense of individuality and connection. Personalized experiences contribute to enhance customer satisfaction, loyalty, and advocacy. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the next steps in mastering brand strategy. Step 3. Achieving 24/7 availability. In a world where customer interactions happen around the clock, adapting to this dynamic landscape is essential. Here is how you can ensure your brand remains accessible and responsive at all times. To achieve 24/7 availability, it is crucial to invest in chatbots and automated systems that can handle customer inquiries during non-business hours. This automated tool serves as a virtual extension of your customer support team, providing instant responses and assistance even when human agents are not available. Here is a closer look at how you can implement this strategy effectively. Invest in chatbots. Explore and invest in advanced chatbot technologies that can understand and respond to customer queries in a conversational manner. Implement chatbots on your website, social media platforms, and other customer touchpoints to provide instant support and information. Automated systems for inquiries. Integrate automated systems that can handle routine inquiries such as order status, account information, or frequently asked questions. Ensure that these systems are designed to provide accurate and helpful responses, enhancing the overall customer experience. Empower customer support team. Equip your customer support team with the tools and training needed to provide the same level of service during non-business hours. Implement shift schedules or remote working arrangements to ensure coverage, especially during nights and weekends. Clear communication on availability. Clearly communicate your brand's availability on various channels, including your website, social media profiles, and automated responses. Set realistic expectations regarding response times during non-business hours and inform customers of alternative channels for urgent inquiries. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Regularly monitor the performance of your automated systems and chatbots. Use analytics to identify areas for improvement and refine the responses based on customer interactions. Collect feedback from customers regarding their experiences with 24/7 availability and use this input to enhance the overall service. By achieving 24/7 availability, your brand not only caters to the diverse needs of a global and always connected audience, but also demonstrates a commitment to providing convenience and accessibility. Stay tuned as we progress through the next steps in mastering brand strategy. Step 4. Embracing the McKinsey approach. Recognizing that there is no one-size-fits-all solution, this step emphasizes the importance of learning, adapting, and scaling. Here is how you can instill this mindset within your organization. To apply the McKinsey approach, incorporate a culture of continuous learning. Foster a culture within your organization that values continuous learning and adaptation. Encourage teams to stay informed about industry trends, emerging technologies, and evolving customer expectations. Provide resources for ongoing education, training programs, and access to relevant industry insights. Promote experimentation. Encourage a mindset of experimentation and innovation. Create a safe environment for teams to explore new ideas, test hypotheses, and take calculated risks. Emphasize that failures are opportunities for learning and improvement rather than setbacks. Celebrate both successes and lessons learned from experiments. Learn from failures. Embrace a culture where failures are seen as stepping stones to success. Foster an environment where teams feel comfortable sharing insights gained from unsuccessful endeavors. Establish mechanisms for transparent post-mortems after projects or initiatives, emphasizing the importance of extracting valuable lessons. Apply lessons as you scale. Use the insights gained from experiments and failures to inform your scaling efforts. Identify what works well and integrate those successes into broader strategies. Regularly assess and refine your digital initiatives based on real-world feedback and outcomes. This iterative approach ensures that your brand remains agile and responsive to changing dynamics. Leadership support and alignment. Ensure that leadership supports and champions the culture of continuous learning and experimentation. Leadership alignment is crucial for cascading the mindset throughout the organization. Provide the necessary resources and incentives to motivate teams to embrace the McKinsey approach in their day-to-day activities. By adopting the McKinsey approach, your brand not only stays adaptable in the face of digital transformation, but also fosters a culture of innovation and resilience. Stay tuned as we progress through the next steps in mastering brand strategy. Step 5. Recognizing the ongoing journey. Unlike other challenges, it is not a one-and-done deal. It is about continuous adaptation to the ever-evolving digital landscape. In this final step, understanding that digital transformation is an ongoing process is crucial for sustained success. Here is how you can embed this mindset within your organization. Embrace iterative strategies. Shift from a project-centric mindset to an iterative approach. Rather than viewing digital transformation as a series of completed projects, see it as an ongoing process of refinement and enhancement. Regularly assess your digital initiatives. Gather feedback and iterate based on evolving customer needs and market dynamics. Stay agile and responsive. Cultivate an agile mindset within your teams. Ensure that your organization can respond swiftly to changes in technology, consumer behavior, and industry trends. Implement agile methodologies that promote flexibility, collaboration, and quick adaptation to new challenges and opportunities. Continuous monitoring and evaluation. Establish robust mechanisms for continuous monitoring and evaluation of your digital initiatives. Regularly measure key performance indicators or KPIs, analyze results, and use data-driven insights to inform strategic decisions. Implement regular reviews and checkpoints to assess the effectiveness of your digital strategies and adjust course as needed. Cultivate learning organization. Foster a learning organization culture where employees at all levels are encouraged to seek knowledge, share insights, and contribute to the collective learning process. Provide opportunities for cross-functional collaboration, knowledge-sharing sessions, and continuous education to keep your teams abreast of the latest digital trends. Leadership commitment. Ensure leadership commitment to the notion that digital transformation is an ongoing journey. Leaders should model adaptability, encourage continuous improvement, and demonstrate a long-term commitment to staying digitally relevant. Communicate the importance of sustained efforts in digital transformation to all stakeholders, reinforcing the idea that staying ahead in the digital landscape is an ongoing commitment. By recognizing the ongoing nature of digital transformation, your brand positions itself for long-term success and relevance in an ever-changing digital environment. This approach fosters resilience, innovation, and a proactive stance in navigating the complexities of the digital landscape. Congratulations on completing this brand-building journey, and may your ongoing digital transformation be both impactful and rewarding. If you have further questions or need assistance with any aspect of your brand strategy, feel free to reach out. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide on how to successfully navigate digital transformation and meet consumer expectations. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce how to build a brand from scratch, 7 essential steps. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on to the next one.